Do you wish you could run faster? Do you wish you could beat your friends to the slides whenever you guys race? Well, no worries. Introducing our new product, the Super Slipper. The Super Slipper makes sure you always beat your friends to the slide. Right away, when you put them on, the Bluetooth connected speakers will say that the slippers have been activated. Once you hear this message, every time you run, you'll be able to beat your friends whenever, wherever, and the time you guys decide to race. The Super Slippers are so good that little kids that wear them from ages 6 to 12 will run as fast as an adult. And adults that wear them will run as fast as Olympic sprinters, and so on and so forth. The Super Slipper comes at a very low price of $1,000. Yes, that's right, $1,000. If you go to our website now, or call our phone number 1-800-000-0000 and order now, it'll cut the price in half and you'll get them for $500. Make sure to call now and get yourself a pair of Super Slippers so you can beat your friends at running every time.